this video, we will see how and where we can record a comment in Shopfloor Insight, and also where this comment can be found in Business Central. We can see we are currently logged into the Shopfloor Insight application. We have a production order operation on the screen. At the very top here, we have the toolbar, and we can see the comment button right here. Clicking this button opens up the line comment pop-up. Adding a comment is simply done via the add button here. And I will add a short comment such as this is a comment. I can also add more than one comment should I want to. And I can also delete them if I want to. I will now click on register, and we will now go to Business Central to see where the comment is saved. Now the comment is saved on the time card line. We can see on screen here the time card information. In the bottom section, we can see the time card line. We see the line is appearing in bold. That tells us that there is a comment. I can view the comment by clicking on Manage and then Comment. Should someone want to modify the comment, this is also possible.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.